Hello traders, welcome to another video. Today we actually have two trades brewing here, both on XRP and Ethereum. If these trades trigger during the session, I'm gonna do that during the session, during the video. I'm just gonna be a little bit prepared here. So I'm looking for shorts here, so there is a low, there's a channel here, like this, something, low break, and then a new low, first entry, looking for a second entry, and in this XRP case, we basically have a range, so I'm looking for that. There is no first entry. But we'll see here. It might just keep pushing. We'll see. But the main reason doing this video is because we're gonna go through 10th of November for Ethereum this Monday. We're gonna see if we can move this to like here. Then maybe another alert there. So let's zoom in on Ethereum. So what I've done is I've marked the session I trade. So there are about 9 hours that I don't trade or don't watch the chart, so it's not much that I don't really watch. I don't watch 100% during the days, but you know, this is the frame where I trade. And we're gonna go through it. So we basically had a, let me just get my keyboard here. Basically had some kind of new low, and then an uptrend that kind of failed. Actually this, yeah, he kind of broke early here, got to a new low, high, and it kind of got very messy here. Not a good trading session at the early hours of this day, but you have a new downtrend, spike up. Let's look at third and let's see what we have here. Yeah, so if this finish like this, I'm gonna go short. And we got a notification on XRP here, and I like the XRP look really. It's just that it's not a second entry, right? So I'm chilling a little bit on the XRP here. This is a second entry. So I'm just chilling a little bit on XRP, right? It's a first entry only. But let's go back to, let's actually mark somewhere here just to see what Ethereum is doing. And also XRP, see, seems like it's gonna push up, but we might get a real quick turn because you see on these wicks there, I feel like they're snappy turns, like there's a lot of aggressive volume here that pushes down hard. I don't know where we were. Yeah, so we had break of channel. I guess we get the new low here. It's a little bit of how you analyze it. sometimes when there's like kind of equal lows, not really, but when there are like close to equal lows. Let's zoom in. Oh, let's see. Actually, it gets up there. Let's zoom in. Sorry. When you kind of have kind of similar lows, I could work a second, but this is like very risky kind of low. Perhaps you mark this as well. This one, the second one is a higher probability, really. Can mark a lower high and then you just push to the new low and the trend played out. First entry, second entry, if you want. Again, it's not of any key entry point. It could be like it's a double bottom. If it pushed a little bit down here and it looked kind of like this bar, yeah, and I can mark it. I usually mark it like this when I would have taken the trade myself. Do like this. I can see people taking this. Let's just see. Oh, you see, snapback. Let's see what are. Oh, I moved my take profit alert. Let's just mark it there. So I guess we kind of got in very late for XRP here. It's way too late to get in. Personally, I'm just gonna do a very small trade here because I like it a lot. Just do like this. So two trades, see what they pan out. I could get totally screwed here, but essentially, I mean, there's no real good way to draw this, in my opinion. You maybe get a new high here actually, but I think you should have drawn like this, then get a break, new high. We'll see. Ethereum looks bad for us, so these are quite small losses. I realized I sized up a little bit too little. Yeah, so we do get stopped out here, yes or no? We do get stopped out. How did I? Okay. I don't see how I misanalyze it, but sometimes you just fail a trade, so that's good to get in a video. Failed trade. Maybe we're looking for a second entry of this, because as I said, sometimes I restart the count if it's because this finishes lower, so maybe it's a second entry actually. But yeah, just gonna keep track of I like to keep track of it. I just want to see what happens here. Not stopped out on XRP yet. There's a little bit of mix. Sorry for this. Mixed session or mixed video. It's not the perfect thing, but let's continue here. I should get another high, but essentially we feel like it played out pretty well here. This one is quite hard to, like this is outside, but it's like, well, we just started going down and it's quite messy. And I think, yeah, I did take this trade yesterday. I took this trade. It was so bad. I don't know what I did. I kind of got just like, I need to get in a trade. I just felt, I don't know why, because I just felt that I needed to take a trade, but I took this trade. It ended up working. It's bad, don't do this. It's very bad. So first entry, down, up, second entry. Yeah, I guess it worked out for 1-to-1, and at least I just said like, yeah, only 1-to-1 here. I'm not going to 1-to-1.5 because then I lose. So 1-to-1 there. We get a conditioning. Can you take any trade here? First entry. Second entry, no, not really. First entry. Is this a trade? No, yeah, it wicks down there, no. Hmm. Oof. You have a really strong break. Get a... Ooh. You know, I like this. I gotta say, I like this. Even though it's such a huge bar, you know, I like it. Let me see, I think XRP is in the... Ooh. Whoa. It's like one tick off alerting. Yeah. Really dislike how this is looking now, obviously. Just mark a little bit here again, just to get more notifications. Whatever happens. I like this trade. Higher low. And this could run up to, yeah. I mean, you could take at least here, right? And if you're unlucky, you take like this, maybe 1-to-2. But I go for 1.5. But that's the all you need. Usually 1.5. It depends, as I've said. What else? Get like a triple test. I don't have that much success rate with that. But it's like maybe on this bar looks decent enough. And you get reverse to it. I mean, so what we gotta realize here is that we just had a huge uptrend. So we gotta just chill a little bit. Like the market's gotta correct and gotta marinate a little bit. So that's why we can take trades in both directions. So again, I'd say this trade is fine. It's very, very hard to get out good here. I'd take this. Wait, but yeah, I would. But this turns out to a loss, so some trades just... I mean, you get a new high, but the signal bar is too strong for that. Double bottom. Yeah, no, there's not really any other... Maybe you can enter here, I don't know. Then just right away, but the 1-to-1 doesn't work, 1.5 doesn't work. But when I see this big signal bar, you just gotta... Maybe when you see this small uptrend, you know that maybe it's not... we might not get that much, so at least you can get break even, I think. Yeah, this one is quite tough to manage, I'd say, but you take losses sometimes, you can't win every time. That's why I don't like the triple bottoms. and such. It's not good win rate for me. So an uptrend played out. Downtrend doesn't really play out. I mean, it kind of does, but you don't really get a hard new low. You kind of just get this congestion area. There's no entries here. I don't like this. Like, what is it even? Nothing happens. You get this, and I'm pretty sure on some others, I would probably take this. Boom. And maybe lower the risk to reward to 1 to 1 because, or maybe a little bit more, I don't know. Maybe cover your commission with 1 to 1.1. But basically it's just the first entry. But why is it good? Because key entry point, there was some reaction, but it got instantly denied, and then another push up, and it works out. I like this a lot more. But we got a new high. Down, down. First entry long, second entry long, failure. Yeah, I'd say this is good. This is also really good. But I don't like the win rates on these for me. It's not, it's like, I feel like it's 50-50 or like 55% win. It's like, ugh, I don't even want to take them because I know that my mental is not good enough for it. But I mean, sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. But get a new low, first entry, and I don't know. Maybe you can find something here. It's not the best single bar. It's not like this bar is better. This bar is better. And this is worse, but I can mark it. And that's the only trade you need for the day, really. And when you have this kind of steep steepness, you know that I will probably push down again. And you get a break of that and a new low. So here I'm not going low or short, but it's first entry, second entry. Maybe yeah, of this one. I can see it. Really. I can see it. But again, you kind of halfway. I mean, that's all. You can't just really apply my risk to reward. It's very hard to just straight up copy it. The 1 to 1.5, because often I do 1 to 1. I mean, very often this case would be that. You just have to. What is the signal bar? What is the context? What has happened previously? We have it already corrected. We don't even know kind of that it's gonna be a range. It is kind of rangy. But then again, this could have been here. This little swing up could have happened here easily. So you have to be really careful there. But is it really? Yeah, it kind of is a small uptrend, I'd say. There's not much structure. What can it do here? I don't know. It's another range. You get a lot of tests here, so I guess you can. If this was just a little bit stronger, you could have taken. I would have taken this easily. This was just a little bit. Like, it's a little bit bigger body, and that's perfect. So many tests there. Um, I don't know, do you even have anything here? Maybe. Yeah, could work. But there's no... It's a first entry here. We could take that and probably ride on a wave. I don't know. This was a tough trade day I see now. I didn't take that many trades yesterday. But you just have to kind of hear somewhere if you take this trade, you have to kind of feel like, yeah, we're still in a range. We get, maybe this is the actual trend up. Maybe this is the new market structure. First entry. First entry. Up. Second entry. I guess, yeah. This is fine. This is high win rate. It's probably like 65, 70. I don't know. It's hard to say that objectively. Like it's this win rate, but it's quite high win rate. These feel like, and another charts and another asset like Bitcoin, Solana, whatever. You um, probably was a second entry, a cleaner second entry. This is a second entry, but or maybe this one, this bar, next bar, but you can get out here. And again, the triple test or the large tests, but if you go on this one, you get stopped out. So I mean, that's why I don't like it. I don't like triple test on crypto. And it's not even like testing with red bars, it's testing with green bars. So that's why don't really like it. This has to be 3 red bars in my opinion, stacked with large wicks and quite large bodies as well. But then what do we have here? We got our uptrend played out, and downtrend played out with a new low here. Is there anything else for us? Actually, yeah, could be. First entry, second, yeah, this is clean. This is what we like. Break, high, first entry, second entry, yeah, take this. It doesn't get any better than this, really. 1.5. There we go, and that's it for today. There is quite many trades, but not the ones I really like because it's not a big move day. However, let's look at our XRP trade here. And I actually re-entered in my Ethereum up here. So we're looking for this trade still. And re-entered on this bar. Move it like this. So Ethereum is looking juicy. So our previous entry was like here. Somewhere there. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, this will go through. I see it right now. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Actually exited on my Ethereum trade here. I exited right here because it's already a new low and it exited here somewhere like there. This one I have to marinate a little bit on XRP. So Ethereum out, XRP, I don't know. You're doing something. Um, so yeah. But again, the funniest day to trade, it's not, I mean, you can catch a big mover here. But yeah, it was okay. I mean, that's fine. We got maybe a loss, but what was the loss? Let me just rewatch. What was the loss here? I don't remember. But it was one where it's just not good enough. Anyways, hope you enjoyed and good luck in your trading. Always do your own analysis. This is not financial advice. Uh, Stay safe and good luck.